Let's take a look at the new Splice integration in the latest version of Pro Tools 2025.6. If you're already a Splice subscriber, you now have access to Splice's millions of royalty-free loops and samples right inside of Pro Tools. If you're new to Splice, you can create a free account and have access to about 2,500 loops and samples that you can use in your productions. To access this new Splice integration, just make sure you have your clips list open, and you'll notice a new tab next to it called Splice. From here, we can search for different loops and samples. Maybe I want to look for a disco drum loop. Everything will play back in time with my song. Right now, my BPM is at 125. That's a cool loop. So I can just take it and drag it to my available track. Duplicate it a few times. Great. So if I wanted to add a pad to this, maybe I have some chords or a musical idea in mind, I can actually record that in via MIDI or audio, playing whatever instrument I want, and then I can take that and use Splice's new search with sound feature, and it will actually search through those millions of loops and find ones that are similar in some way, shape, or form to what I played. So let's go ahead and put some chords in. That's a cool progression. So if I go back home inside of the Splice tab, by the way, you can pop this tab out too if you want, just like you can the clips list. I can take that MIDI clip, I don't even have to convert it to audio. I can drag it into the search with sound section. Splice will process it and will make suggestions of loops that are similar vibe, style, chord progression, etc. I can also audition loops in time with my session. Okay, that pad is definitely what I had in mind. So I could just take this and drag it to this gray area here, and it'll create a new track for me. This new Pro Tools Splice integration is really cool. Not only is it great to be able to audition loops and samples in time with my session right inside of Pro Tools, but I can also record my own musical ideas and use that Splice search for sound feature to go through all those millions of samples that Splice has and find things that actually work with my music. I hope you get a lot of great use out of it. I know I will.